Hello YouTubers and welcome to Earn IT. In this tutorial I will show you a site from which you can easily get and earn more than 30,000 to 40,000 satoshis of Litecoin easily daily. So you can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. The earning on this site is really easy. No hard task is required. So this is the main page of the site, and from here you can register your account. From this register button you can create your account after filling this form. Then you have to log into your account. After you log in, this will be your dashboard. Here at the top you can see your account details, email, and below it is your referral link. You will be getting 20% from your referrals, and here you can see the energy, total claims, total referrals, and the coins that are available. So right now I have 385 coins in my account, which are equal to 29,645 Litecoin satoshis. And here you have to in the user settings you have to attach your Litecoin wallet address, and at the last you can see the withdraw option. One coin is equal to 77 satoshis Litecoin. So the earning options that are available are the faucet, short links, and the PTP. Going on to the faucet, you can see that you are getting 10 coins after every 5 minutes, which means that you are getting 770 Litecoin satoshis after every 5 minutes. So let's make a claim. There are two captchas available. Complete both captchas and you will be able to make your claim. So after completing both the captchas, below you can see the option of collect your reward. Click on it and the faucet claim will be done. Here you can see my coins increased to 395 coins. The other option is of short links. So in the short links you can see that multiple short links are available, and the maximum that they are giving is about 25 coins per link. So this is with the earning of the site. Now going on to the withdraw, the payments from the site are totally instant and you will instantly receive the payments. So to get the payments you need to have a Faucet Pay account. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, you can register using the link in the description. So going on to the site and making the claim, making the withdraw, you can see that the coins that I have are 395 coins with a total of 30,415 Litecoin satoshis. Now let's scroll down and you will get your payment instantly in Faucet Pay. Clicking on the withdraw, here you can see 30,415 satoshis sent has been sent to your account. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see, scroll down and you can see that claim light 1000 light every 5 minutes. Amount I received is 30,415 Litecoin satoshis on 14 September. This date is according to the server. Right now for me the time is 15 September, but for the server it is 14 September. So I received 30,415 Litecoin satoshis from Claimlight Faucet on 14 September. So this is it with the site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more legit earning.